Are you ready? Are you steady? Adults against kids, go! Eat it, my darling. She'll swallow anything after 6 bites, but at the moment she's only had 2. Eat it, girl. Eat it, or you can be banned from the next party I'm doing here. And the next party I'm doing here is an adult show. So you wish you was in that one. Stick it in your mouth and swallow it. Chew, chew, chew. Swallow, swallow, swallow. And she's done it in first place, one of my best friends. There we are. Oh, nice one there, Pikachu. And the adults first of the adult size 8 is going to be sitting over the kids. Look out. Here she comes. Oh, look at that. She spat in her hand. Only in the Mayfair. So okay, the Fairfield, so in Mayhill. Right there. Let's have a look at that. She's done. Whoops. Whoops, sorry. You don't eat it, hang on it, do it. Right, you got a choice. Eat half of it or lick half of it. Lick it or eat it. I know she will, but at the moment she's only had 2 bites, so she won't swallow nothing at the moment. Lick it, lick half of it. Lick it, half of it now. Go. Lick half of it right now. Damn it, darling. Speak to you soon. Oh, is that nice? Oh, look at that face. That face should be on Facebook, and she'll never have a date again with that face, will she? And she don't like it. Oh, look at that. What a